Hi, I'm Chris Kerr, Winnipeg District Manager of the Salvation Army Thrift Store. I'm here to show you how you can create your own affordable emergency preparedness kit with many common thrift store items. You probably have a flashlight, a can opener, and other essential survival items at home. But would you remember to quickly grab them when an emergency is happening in real time? A dedicated emergency preparedness kit ensures that you and your loved ones have the basic items you'll need if the unexpected happens. Easily accessible and all in one place. Now let's start finding your kit items. Our first stop is the housewares section. Here we can find things like a manual can opener, battery-powered radio, crank flashlight, candles, tools, pliers, a wrench, a hammer, scissors, a multi-use screwdriver, even a pocket knife. The other thing you can pick up here as well is luggage to store all your product in. Next up is our clothing and accessories section, where you can find a change of clothing and footwear for every member of your household. You can also pick up a wallet for bills and small change to use in payphones. Come on, let's keep on shopping. Lastly, our bedding and linen section has plenty of blankets to keep in your kit for you and your family to stay warm in case of a power outage. Now that you have all of these items, you can start assembling your kit. With 100 locations across Canada, your local Salvation Army thrift store is always ready to serve you and help you find items for your kit.